Okay, today we're looking at a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. I got 96,000 miles on it. It is a four-wheel drive, super white in color. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. First thing we notice, got the nice Weston front bumper on there. Make our way down the driver's side here. It does have the Weston black step rails. It does have the hard shell tonneau cover. It does have the flipping. It does flip on top of itself. All right, maximizes the space in the bed of the truck. It does have the rear backup camera, tow hitch, trailer plug-in. All right, it is a V6. It is a four-wheel drive, 96,000 miles on it, and it is a 2013. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the gray and black door panels, power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors over here. Right. Does have the nice hard rubber floor mats, gray cloth seating with the mesh inserts here. Right, driver's seat looks good. Does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape. No problem there. Automatic. Got your USB, auxiliary, and power outlets down there. There's your climate control area. It's going to have your backup camera right here. Your AM, FM, CD display. It is a four-wheel drive. Right. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth. Steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 96,486 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you your display screen here. Okay, it's got your audio. It's all touch screen. Okay, you can get back over here to setup. Your general Bluetooth phone. All right, it does have backup camera. All right, but it's not here. It's actually up in the mirror, the rear view mirror. Okay. All right, AC's blowing nice and cold. No problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels look good. It's got the nice rubber floor mats back here as well. Right. Back seat cloth looks good. Does have the sliding window back here. Cup holders there. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look back here. Alright, it does kind of have the bed liner back here. Alright. Power outlet there. Go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. Got, let's see, 16-inch alloys. Right. Tires, brand new set of tires right here. You can still see the markings on it. All right, once again, it's a 2013 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive, 96,000 miles on it. This thing's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.